Hello and welcome to a new video of My Pocket Galaxy. In 2025, there is a solar flare that will hit Earth. In the year 2021, the 22nd century, the oceans would have rose. This is our Earth in the next 300 years because of global warming. The ice caps have melted. In 25 million years from now, a new Pangea will start to form. Oh wait, no. So this new Pangea will start to keep forming forever and ever. In 50 million years, human life will not be possible. As an asteroid will have killed all life. And we had probably gone to another planet. Humans have probably already went to a new planet. The habitable zone have shifted a little bit. And Earth has got a little bit warmer. People were going to Mars. 60 million years. People have found water on Mars. And the magnetic field and the habitable zone has shifted once again. And also, we have started to live on Mars. So, no, Mars gotta have water at this point now. Still no. Okay. Mars can have life. 75 million years from now, Mars will have fully developed life. And pretty much every person has gotten to Mars. The Goldilocks zone has shifted once again. 100 million years from now, Earth will have gotten too close to the sun, and life isn't going to exist. What is this? Earth will have became the worst place to live, and Mars the best. Also, the Goldilocks zone has shifted a little bit again. Mars is the best place to live in the universe. Earth is now a desert planet. No life is on Earth. Mercury and Venus would easily be cooked. Mars, on the other hand, would still be habitable. Earth would be dead. just like Mars. Venus would be one of the hottest planets in the universe. Easily. The Goldilocks zone would have completely got further away. Earth is the most uninhabitable planet ever. Lava streams will start flowing on Venus soon. Mercury is the most cooked planet. In 250 million years from now, the moon would have left the Earth's orbit. In 3 million years from now, the sun's Goldilocks zone would have completely engulfed all the inner planets, even the moon. And the too hot zone would be the only place to live in. Ooh, there's some lava streams, I think. Mercury is full of lava streams. In 400 million years, if all life didn't die, a huge asteroid would be awaiting the death of all life. The end of all life on Mars. Sand dunes only cover the surface of Mars. No life on Mars can be available. This is not your typical asteroid. It's like a moon hitting the planet Mercury and mostly knocking the orbit out closer to the sun. Boom. This is only my theory, so don't make fun. The position would have changed closer to the sun than any other planet. In 500 million years from now, every single planet would have died if anything would have survived. Now, 550 million years from now, we had finally reached a new type of planet. And a much further, we would have reached another system. 600 million years from now, we should have found a new home. have moved to Proxima Centauri b. In 850 million years from now, the sun would become a full red giant. In 900 million years from now, every planet would be dead. In 950 million years, Mercury is almost dead. But it's not actually dead. And this will happen, and this will not change for another 200 million years. In 1.5 billion years, Mercury would be at its furthest point from the sun. In 2.1 billion years from now, the sun would engulf all of Mercury. And there would only be 3 inner planets. In 2.5 billion years, the sun will start getting closer to engulfing the entire inner solar system. It's gonna start getting closer to all the planets. It's gonna kill all of them. In 3.2 billion years, Venus would start getting closer to the sun. In 3.6 billion years from now, the sun would be engulfing start burning Venus to a crisp. In 4 billion years from now, Sirius B would collapse into a black hole. In 4.4 billion years from now, Venus would almost be swallowed up. Venus is almost dead, but is still alive. In 5.2 billion years, the moon would have left its position and fallen into the sun. In 5.6 billion years from now, Venus would be completely engulfed by the sun. And there would only be 2 planets inside of the inner solar system. In 5.8 billion years, the sun will start getting much bigger than it is last time. 6 billion years from now, the Earth is almost completely engulfed by the sun. Earth is almost engulfed, but it got a little further. In 6.4 billion years, Proxima Centauri would have exploded. In 6.4 billion years, Proxima Centauri would have exploded, and Proxima Centauri B would be free to roam. In 6.6 billion years, the sun would almost be engulfing the entire Earth. In 7 billion years, the sun would almost be engulfing the entire Earth. In 7.2 billion years, the sun is almost going to engulf all of the Earth. In 7.4 billion years, the sun is just so close of fully engulfing the entire Earth. This is just crazy. And in 7.8 billion years, the sun would have fully engulfed the entire Earth. And in 8 billion years, the sun dies. And the sun is dead. but don't worry. The sun will be replaced by a white dwarf. So the sun literally like revived itself. But that's done with today's video. After a very long time, a very long 30 minutes of recording this video, I am finally done.